each grain of rice so perfect, and this is what I call biryani. If there is a kingdom of biryani, I still want to be the cook in that kingdom. I love biryani so much. So today we're going to make the biryani. We're going to learn how to unjunk with olive active oil. Here are the chicken pieces. Always bring little slightly bigger pieces. When this is done, you want the chicken pieces to be nice and juicy. In the chicken, add the olive oil. In this, add salt, and we're going to add all the masalas. First, the chili powder, little bit of garam masala powder, coriander powder, cumin powder, ginger garlic paste. Give a very nice mix to these chicken pieces. Look at the way these masala will be coating each piece of the chicken, and the oil also will keep this chicken nice and moist. Nowadays we are being extra careful with each and every ingredient we use. This oil is not at all expensive, even though it has olive oil, only 20 to 30 rupees more than the regular oils. Now we are going to add mint leaf, green chili, coriander leaf. In this we are going to add brown onion. These fried onions, when you use olive active, it absorbs 20% less oil, hence making your food light and tasty. So you can fry puris and vada also with this oil. In this, add yogurt. You have a perfect marination for a biryani, which I am going to make it in nice cast iron casserole. A lot of people ask me how I get my onions nice and golden brown. I always use a slicer, and when you use a slicer, the onions will be even cut. Look at that. When you have these onions nicely sliced, that's when you will get them golden in color. Take these chicken pieces and make sure at least one layer, the bottom has to be covered. Make sure each piece touches at the bottom so that you will get the best aroma into your biryani. In large families or even in my home, a lot of cooking happens, so I prefer to buy the 5-liter bottle and add little bit of oil into the water in which you're going to cook the rice. And the most important thing is salt. Another way of improving the flavor of your basmati rice is by adding into the water bay leaf, the cinnamon sticks, peppercorns, shai jeera, clove, cardamom and star anise. So now let's bring this water to a boil before we add basmati rice that has been soaked for at least 30 minutes. Add the soaked basmati into this hot boiling water. We're going to cook this rice till it is almost 80% done. The most beautiful thing in a biryani is adding this rice on top of raw chicken. So this is like 70% done, the rice. So the first layer is slightly less cooked. Okay. At the same time, switch off the flame here. Look at this. Over the bed of this rice, some more mint for that extra flavoring, some coriander and some brown onion. Rest of the rice, you got to sprinkle it literally. See, this is what will give the aeration for your biryani. Okay, like this. So just drop all of this rice. On top of this, we're going to add some saffron water. That will give us the look what we want. For this casserole, I have got the heavy lid. Just put that lid on. For a perfect biryani, first 10 minutes, put it on a high flame. Next 10 minutes on a medium flame, and the last 10 minutes on a very slow flame. In 30 minutes, you will have a perfect biryani. Now, the biryani is all ready. After 30 minutes, switch off the flame and you wait for another 5 minutes so that everything settles down. And wow, still the awesome steam is on, and you can check if the rice is perfectly done. You will see that the rice grains slightly, twist. Look at them. Each grain of rice so perfect, and this is what I call biryani. Each grain should be like pearl, and when you go down, the chicken pieces have to be perfectly cooked. Chicken pieces, they will be nice and tender. For me, a biryani has to be very special. Dear friends, I have unjunked chicken biryani. Now it is your turn to take part in the contest and unjunk your favorite food with Oleev Active. Click on the link below and submit your favorite recipes. You can also win gift hampers and get recognized on Oleev's social media pages. So time to unjunk with Oleev and win. Some people feel good when they wear good clothes. I feel very good when I have the best biryani in front of me. Dear friends, make best of the best food. When you eat the best of the best biryani, you got to do ding chick, ding chick, ding chick. And just out of the world. Chicken cooked to perfection and juicy. And the aroma is definitely a lot more better, and you know why. My goodness. Ding chick, ding chick, ding chick.